Sujud al-tilawah and ash-shukr while menstruated. As far as for sujud al-shukr, you can always make sujud al-shukr once you receive good news with wudu or without wudu, towards the qibla or anything, because it's a mean of giving thanks and gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Is not a prayer. When it comes to at-tilawah, we know that there is 15 or 16 according to different opinions, positions in the Quran. Certain ayat, wasjudu waqtarib, then you make sujood. Whenever there is an ayah where there is this line on top of the word, so by the end of the ayah you make sujood. It's highly recommended. It's an emphatic sunnah. Now, if a woman is in her menses, can she make sujood al-tilawah? While the vast majority of the scholars like Imam Abu Hanifa wa Shafi'i wa Malik wa Ahmad ibn Hanbal are of the view that it's a salah and it requires wudu, the more right view is that it's not a salah. And if you can recite Quran while having the menses, like revising or reciting to memorize or doing your homework or teaching or learning, then whenever you pass by an ayah or sajda, make sujood even without wudu. And this opinion was adopted by many of the respected scholars, such as His Eminence Sheikh Ibn Baz, Ibn Uthaymeen, and others. So you can make sujood al-tilawah and sujood al-shukr while in the menses, and why not having wudu as